What did I tell y'all?
When get the kick in the butter, I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town and the drop.
Use the potty. Yeah. Hey. See, that's how you gotta have your dog trained. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Yeah. Come on. Up. Come here. Come here. Right here. Ah. Sit. Yeah. Good boy. You want treat? Good boy. Yeah. Boy, I got my dog trained, bruh. Hitting profits and got my dog trained. That's how you do it, baby. Oh, yeah, gang. We in some buys, man. Let's see how this do. You know, currently, what is it, a 1 to 6? I really want to get a 1 to 2 out of this, but we'll see how it go, baby. Let's fucking go. This is how we bounce back, baby. Yeah, this is how we bounce back, baby. This is what I'm talking about. 1 to 6, banked. I'm not racist. I'm just practicing my Indian accent. Let's go. Let me pick that up a little bit. Oh, we almost up to a 1.78. Let's stop playing, man. Let's get this money. In case y'all think I'm capping. Up 300. 288, 281. Let's get this money, baby. Wow. Freaking wow, bro. Look at this, y'all. I had a 1 to 2, right? Bro. This thing just went for a freaking 1 to 3.5. Next time I would be holding.
I told y'all, man. It's all about the risk to reward. First video I lost, it's gonna be right here. I lost 155. I'm sorry, 165. Here, we just made about 285. You know what? I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. Let me put it right here. 274, right? I told y'all, man. Losses is a part of the game, but when you take the wins, always make sure the wins is way bigger than the losses. That's how you're going to stay profitable, right? Like I said in the last video, you know, you're risking $100 to make $100, right? But then let's say you lose that $100. Now you back at break even. So with me losing 150, I think that was Wednesday. Yeah, I think that was Wednesday. And then me making this 274 on Thursday night. Now I'm in profit $120 after one win and one loss. So if it's vice versa, let's say I take 2 wins, right? At $270 and I'm only risking 150. 270 times 2 is what? 540 for the people that don't know how to count. And if you take 150 away from that, that's 400, 390 roughly, right? So you see how the winners is always outweighing the losers? That's something secret in this game that y'all gotta apply. You know what I mean? Because so many people, you know, they like you know, one to ones, you know, risking 1 to ones. Me, honestly, I think a 1 to 1 R is gambling, honestly. Like you're risking $100 to make $100. It's not the casino. We're Forex traders. You know what I'm saying? We're investors. You get what I'm saying? So we shouldn't be investing $100 to make $100. You get what I'm saying? You should be investing $100 to make $200, or invest $200 to make $400. You get what I'm saying? That's why risk to reward is so important in this game. And like I said, I just think personally, 1-to-ones, it's like gambling unless you cut your losses. You get what I'm saying? But my style of trading, I'm more of a swing intraday trader. You know, I set my stop losses at areas where it's invalid. You get what I'm saying? So if if the market comes to that area, like my trade is invalid. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna like cut it short just because I'm in drawdown, or cut it short, just because it's coming close to my stop loss. Like, bro, I've been in trades where I'm a, a, a fucking half of a pip away from stop loss, right? And then 3 hours later, it's close to TP. You get what I'm saying? It's all within, the candlesticks, bro. So me personally, I don't cut my losses short. I do know traders who cut their losses short. Like Doyle, you know what I mean? This one of the people I look up to. He's a scalper. He cuts his losses and does one-to-ones all the time and does great, bro. Like, he does phenomenal. You get what I'm saying? But he's able to, I thought I seen something. He's able to cut his loss, you get what I'm saying, when the market is going against him. A lot of people, they, and I used to do this too, right? But a lot of beginners in this game, when they see that trade going against them, they like to lower that stop loss, lower that stop loss, lower that stop loss, hoping and praying that the market's going to reverse. But in reality, it is what it is. You know what I mean? You have to take that loss. But that next trade, if you lost 200 or 250 on that last trade, make sure that you're winning back 400, 500. You get what I'm saying? Because that's what's going to eat up your losses, and that's what's going to make you profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month. You get what I'm saying? No trader has 100% win rate. Most traders don't even have above a 50% win rate. But how are they still staying profitable? It's the risk to reward. I'm going to break this down for you guys, right? Let's just say, right? We starting the week off on Monday, right? 5 trading days, right? And that's if you're trading every single day. 5 trading days, right? I'm going to break this down to y'all to the T, right? Let's say you have 3 losing trading days, right? And we're risking $100 per trade, right? So you lost Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're down $300, right? But let's say Thursday and Friday, right? That you hit a 1-to-2. So you're down $300, right? Off the 3 days of losing. But your 2 days of winning, you hit a 1-to-2, which you're risking $100 to make $200. So now you have $400 on 2 winning days, right? But you lost $300 on 3 losing days. You're still in profit $100 at the end of the week. Now, right? Let's say that you have 3 profitable days, right? At a minimum of a 1-to-2 risk to reward, right? And you're risking $100 per trade, right? Now you won 3 trades, you're up $600, right? But you take 2 losses, right? And you lost $100 each. So that's $200, right? So now you're still up $400. 3 wins, 2 losses. You're still up $400. 3 losses, 2 wins, you're still up $100. You can't do this with a 1-to-1 risk to reward unless you cut your losses early. But with my type of style of trading, I don't cut my losses early. You get what I'm saying? So you have to find what works for you. You get what I'm saying? Because some people are emotional. You know what I mean? It's like your trade might be close to stop loss, but it didn't hit stop loss and you closed out. And then that trade potentially hit your take profit. Now you're mad as shit. Now you're going to eat Burger King, right? But you could have had a steak dinner or Ruth Chris if you would have just handled your emotions. You feel what I'm saying? Set your stop loss, set your take profit, and Just analyze. You get what I'm saying? So just to sum all this up, everything, not everything, but a lot of this and the most of this is about risk to reward. You know what I mean? My little buddy over here, man, he's looking. You want to come up here? You want to come up here? His name, hey, say hi. Say hello. Hello. This is Take Profit, y'all. Come on, sit. His name is Take Profit. Well, it's really my sister's dog, but you know, I'm the secondary guardian. Yeah, okay. So yeah, man. Like I said, just trading game, bro. It's all about risk to reward. Like, why are you shaking, man? Oh, he's camera shy. You get what I'm saying? He's camera shy. You feel what I'm saying? But when he around the girls, man, he's all smiling and all that type of stuff. You could say hi. Say hi. This is your new home. Yeah, he's lost. But like I said, man, this game, bro, is just all about risk to reward. And in the future, y'all gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? Okay.
One-on-one, bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again. One-on-one. Won't get the kick in the butter, I count it like hustle.